$80,000 is a council member's salary. Too much, okay, or not enough?
I've never viewed it as for the salary, and for me, it's public service. So I've always looked maybe if it was adequate for per diem expenses or any of those type of expenses. It really is public service, and I believe we need more people with business experience to help out the city.
What is the center of Lake Highlands? Physically.
Physically? Well, it could be the town center.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where do you get your daily news?
The Dallas Morning News.
Can you speak a foreign language?
Not well.
Name a book you've read more than once.
Moby Dick.
What's your go-to grocery store?
And now it's Minyards.
What TV show is your guilty pleasure?
Parks and Rec.
What was your first car?
Oh, it was Cherokee.
Your favorite neighborhood hangout?
Offshore.
What fact about you surprises people the most?
Oh, I have no idea.
A hobby on which you spend a significant amount of time?
Boxing.
Who is the greatest athlete in the history of Dallas sports?
Doak Walker.
Name an incomplete item on your bucket list.
Skydiving.
Most famous person you have ever met?
Oh, well, to me it was William Jobby.
Who would you want to play you in a movie about your life?
Freddie Prinze Jr.
Can you dance?
Poorly.
What is your spirit animal?
My spirit. A bowl? Yeah.
How many corn dogs can you eat in 10 minutes?
Oh, how many can you cook? I could probably 10 minutes, 25.
Is Dallas ready for the zombie apocalypse?
No.